Greetings to one and all who are watching this video. I am Dakshit Ladhwal from grade 8 and a proud student of AS campus, where I receive academic training and develop my confidence and communication skills. Today I am excited to present an interesting topic in mathematics, squares and cubes. I will explain this topic in a simple and easy to understand way. Before beginning, I sincerely thank Mr. Ashish sir, Director of AS campus, for always encouraging students to learn, explore and showcase their knowledge. So let's begin our journey into the world of squares and cubes. First, let us understand the basic idea. A square means multiplying a number by itself 2 times and a cube means multiplying a number by itself 3 times. For example, 5 multiplied by 5 gives 25. So the square of 5 is 25. Similarly, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 gives 125. So the cube of 5 is 125. Now let us understand the squares in more details. What is a square? A number multiplied by itself is called its square. The formula for the square of a number is n square equals n multiplied by n. For example, 5 squares equals 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. Now let's move ahead. Squares from 1 to 10. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81 and 10 squared is 100. Now let's move ahead. The formula of a cube is n cubed equals n multiplied by n multiplied by n. For example, 3 cubed equals 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 27. Now let's move ahead. Now let us learn the cubes from 1 to 10. 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125, 6 cubed is 216, 7 cubed is 343, 8 cubed is 512, 9 cubed is 729 and 10 cubed is 1000. Now let us compare square and a cube. A square means multiplying a number 2 times. For example, 4 squared equals 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. A flat square has length and width. A cube means multiplying a number 3 times. For example, 4 cubed equals 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is 64. A cube has length, width and height. Now let's move ahead. Easy steps to find squares and cubes. Step 1. Choose a number. For example, we choose a number 5. Step 2. For square, multiply it twice. For example, 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. So the square of 5 is 25. Step 3. For cube, multiply it 3 times. For example, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 125. So the cube of 5 is 125. Step 4. Check your answer, recalculate or use another method to confirm. Your answer will be correct. Now let us do a quick practice to find squares and cubes. Can you find the squares and cubes of these numbers? Here you can see the answers of these squares and cubes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Bye bye everyone.